Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. So today we're going to be talking about whether or not I'm catching a falling knife with this massive scam wick, which we were talking about was a possibility yesterday. And here it is. So with that said, right, what are we going to do? Are we going to hold my trade? Am I going to or drop the trade? We're going to talk about that and more in today's episode. Thank you for watching. Thanks for being here. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and yeah, let's get to it. Right? If you want to trade this, remember you can trade this at okx.davincej15.com, where you can get like a $40,000 trading bonus, right? And even win up to $9,000 in prizes. So sign up right now, right? Before the 15th of January. That will be their last chance to actually do that. So make sure you do so. Okay, let's get on with the trade for today. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Waboosh. And it looks like we broke the previous lows. So technically, because we broke it with a wick, it's still a broken. They went for, even though it looks like they just went for a quick stop run. It's technically a break, and we could end up breaking down further. Now, because right, if we bring up the because we've seen a new low. And what that low also means, because you can see here, this was a low and this is a new low, and that means it was probably a what's it called, a divergence. And yes, you can see that it was a clear divergence, and this divergence, even though the divergence is not confirmed, we have the clear divergence here, right? And let's bring that, show you there. The price was a low here, but it was lower here, but look, the momentum has dried up. Now, the problem is, this has to be, in order for the divergence to really confirm, we have to see price, the histogram go higher than the 10.9 in order for us to really indicate that the divergence is clear and present, and it's going to be a positive impact. The same can probably be said about the RSI. We can see, yep, there you go. We do have a divergence there, but the only issue is, and you can see there is a divergence, but we have to pass, let's see here, this top part here, in order for us to say, okay, this divergence is now, this bullish divergence is now confirmed, and we can say that the odds are we're going to go higher based on the confirmation of the divergence. Okay, well, so we have not confirmed it, so we could end up breaking down even further. I'm going to hold my trade. I do have one open on OKX. I'm going to leave that open for now, and let's head over to Ethereum. Ethereum, of course, yeah, once it broke, you can see that once it broke above the broke down from the resistance, which turned into support, that was a negative situation right then and there. Unfortunate, looked like it wanted to pump, but there was just no buyers. There was no buyers, and the sellers just came out in droves. So yeah, Ethereum indicated that, hey, you know what, this trade was going to reverse heavy on us as well, and so it did. And yeah, it broke some of the resistance here with a wick, and some of the key support levels, key areas where, hey, you know what, maybe we should reverse our trade here, is also indication here. Unfortunate, with the bands opening clearly to the downside, both on Ethereum and on Bitcoin. The odds of us turning this thing around is low. It looks like we are breaking down because, hey, you know what? This Bollinger Band squeeze is an indication of the market tightening, and a direction is going to occur. and we've already seen what the direction is. It's to the downside. Here, let me just, I want to get rid of the VPVR, but the only way to do that is to do that. I'm gonna get rid of the VPVR, right? Because I was looking to see if we can get any kind of hopium happening, but the odds are we are breaking down. So both on Ethereum and Bitcoin, we can see that this is not a positive situation by a long shot. With that said, I'm still going to hold the trade open. I'm going to just let the stop loss clear me out. If it clears me out, because I still have a stop loss below the previous low, so I'm pretty good to go. So that is my trade recommendations for today. Hope you enjoyed today's short show. I'll do a complete show tomorrow with the news that you can use and a little bit of a news rant. But today I wanted to keep it short. So hopefully you enjoyed the new mic. I changed the microphone, so now it sounds a lot different. Hopefully the sound is a lot better, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.